We have two different installation types. One is the tracking system, the other thing is the fixed hull structure. If you go with a fixed hull structure, then the best practice meanwhile is to put as much power as possible on a PV plant. So that's what most of the EPC companies are doing meanwhile, or the plannings. Because when we started the solar industry, it was always, when the modules were very expensive, we tried to optimize everything. So we had a 25-degree inclination on the module so that the power output was optimized. Meanwhile, we go more into the direction of power density, means we are lowering the angle more and more, and therefore we can create more power on that specific land. The more you go to the sunbelt area or to the equator, the lower or the less the distance can be and the higher the power density. So that's for the fixed hull. For the tracking system, it's more or less globally the same. The consideration is here the output scenario, of course, and the land costs and many other things. But usually the power density of a tracking systems is in the range of 30 to maybe 40% ground cover ratio. That's what we want to achieve, or most of the clients want to achieve. If you talk about the fixed hull, it's going more into the range of 50-60% ground cover ratio.